to make my title, change up my cycle.
So we're going to our brunch and I'm currently getting ready. Noria I think just came out the show if I heard well. But we're going to our brunch and I'm getting ready. And just for context, this is not a makeup tutorial because I cannot do all of that. Not lead nobody astray. I'm a good influencer, or trying to be. But yeah guys, yeah, I'm putting on makeup here. And guys, my other day break my own heart and now look how I want if I look like. I don't know what I want for me, but I actually want ball because you know workouts. But yeah guys, this is not a tutorial so you won't be seeing all the steps of this, but just keeping you in tune. We're getting ready. Bad bitch mood soon be activated. But yeah, see you guys in a few. My eyebrow is still fucked, but I can't bother, like I don't have tears to shed over no makeup. You know what's wrong with it? Anyways, I'm about to ruin my life even more by putting in. I'm gonna try the one wing, guys. Why? Why? I'm gonna hit myself. No on your noise. Came back no niggas today, guys. Just kidding, I'm bagging niggas every day, no matter what. Even for bag of faces, still bag niggas. I don't know what the name of the... I'm not good at this. Okay. What the fuck do people do this? I'm not doing that, guys. Why does not focus on this? This brush. So ugly. This is so ugly, guys. Like, I'm really tired of makeup because when I even have time, I don't have time on my side. You know what? I'm just gonna add some glitter and try to make this thing better. So I'm gonna add silver glitter. Guys, I only usually wear gold, but today I'm feeling a silver vibe, so I'm gonna try to work with that. Oh, so stressful. That wasn't so bad. That actually looked good. It actually looked good. I never sure, so this actually looked good, guys. It actually went well. Look at me go. I can probably add MUA to my bio now. Probably. Back again. So I'm gonna attempt to put on the lashes now, guys, and I don't know how to do that. If you don't get the gist of what's going on in this video so far. I'm gonna put this on, and they need to be cut because my eyes aren't this long, but can't figure by now, so I don't know how to do all of that. So I'm not gonna start this shit.
Hi guys.
Yeah, going to double get things though. I try to feel that I said we should get my degree, you know, putting on lashes. The mood of I go through this stress right now. Literally on my eyelid, like literally. It's a big fucking joke. And actually well tapped down, meant to can't get it off. So the eyeliner last. That's dunks my dunks, guys. Oh, why this shit. Bitch, don't come in here.
But I must see. What's in put on bad?
What's it on the middle of my eyelid?
Oh, right here. When you look at my teeth.
Tara, I need you. SOS TBella. Nobody knows what should I call her, please. You always same problem running there now. Same problem. Guys, later, I'm gonna try something.
Hey guys, so this is our first get ready with us. And this is my hair. It's freshly washed hair. And I only brought 2 things. Thin Man brush and Eco Styler gel. So like if this does not work out, just rake through with the Thin Man brush. Is there like a technique? Do you guys have a technique? This side looks better. Yeah, I'm definitely going bigger because I still have my makeup to do, and yeah, I want to at least look decent. I don't know, well, I'm not 100% sure what I'm wearing yet, even though I only have like 2 options. I don't know why I brought just 2 things. Okay, and this looks no, look how good. Are you seeing it? No, it looks fantabulous in the mirror. I hope you guys are like getting the gorgeousness too.
Bella, Ella, yeah, yeah. If you are waste my time, you are waste my grind. My dep on my shine. If you are waste my time, my dep on my shine. On my shine. To the top.
Was a gel wash and go with Noria. Like my wash and goes never usually take this long because I think wash and go should be really quick. Like I just wash, rub up some things, and go. But yeah, this is like a method of shingling, I guess. It's like, it's not perfect, but yeah. This took up enough time. I'm gonna go wash. Oh, let me show you guys how much hair I've shed. And shedding is normal. I don't think there's any like real containment to shedding, sue me. Like especially, yeah, I don't think there's any real containment to shedding. People shed, dogs shed. This is natural. This is like, this is what I've shed so far, and that's completely normal as long as you're not going bald when you're shedding. Why do I keep saying shedding? Shedding, then it's natural. Anyway, on to phase 2 later, guys. I'm back. I have nothing to tie my hair. Anyway, so I'm gonna put tape here. I have no idea why, but like all the popular YouTubers that do makeup do it. So like, why not, you know? I just like didn't know what I was doing. Just like the drag queens. I think that's it for like my eye makeup. I guess.
For me, I could go. Long time me on the ground level and I know. Make them know say I saw the thing, set I saw the thing go. Money we I make the level up, I know. Cause if me not reach today, tomorrow me gonna make another leap. Me say your bad mind thoughts can't reach to me. No matter where the haters want preach to me. To the sky, to the sky, I feel reach it cause I believe I can fly. Anything me try, me never ever play shy. So me shell it down and make dirty bad mind surprise. Cause them full up of lies and them love criticize. With them evil little eyes, them no want me a rise. And them chastise, even sending them spies. Cause them can't realize greatness never dies. It's a game of me a play. I feel reach the top one.
That's it for getting ready with Noria. So I'm gonna head out. Hope y'all enjoy this. Tell us if you guys like videos like this or not. My hair looks bomb. I'm gonna finish getting ready so later. We brunching. Oh, that's a bathroom. But it is like Nana. Yeah.
So guys, just give several steps and know we're ready.
Whee! You know my haircut?
Yes, it was.
Oh, I mean you when I did something.
Yeah, but they told me I'm still come back, but we never end up still come back. No, I'm ready. Yeah.
So later, guys.
Yeah, this pretty. Oh, the lights are actually A1, but anyways, catch you guys. Oh no, we made it here. We're benching. Woo! Internal.
Are people here?
Alright.
Roxy, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Watch it be. I'm chromatic now to reach now. I wish you guys saw my wife and the one that even post a picture on Instagram with her. Not even Snapchat. Big low chain and next slave on the sea as a sack. Big low chain and next slave on the sea as a sack. Big low chain and next slave on the sea as a sack. Oh wow. Mercy. Watch over yourself. Yeah. One time we have the guys around the place. They don't vote now. They got the gun this time, but I won't say around the place now. Yeah.
Oh, you bad man. I see me at the product.
Yo.
It's like guys, it's like
Ebony. Touch our dreamy and our SPF. Book our all we are doing. So we are doing.
guys, faster than what we done, so you know guys, we're heading back. Sure the way. Yeah. And also we've actually done walking now. Oh, they were here before. Anyways, see you guys next week. So fucking stupid.
What's up?